Hi, Jambite. From the research I made about the current JAMB, I've seen that iPhone users are currently searching on how to allow pop-ups on their Safari browser whenever they are trying to do their JAMB reprinting online. This JAMB reprinting contains your JAMB details of like the exam center, the information, full details about you and the exam date and center and the state. So in order not to delay your time, let me just show you. I am using my iPhone now, so I will show you how to allow pop-ups whenever you are logging in to the JAMB caps portal to do your JAMB reprinting. So I will just show you in my settings on how to allow the pop-ups notifications on your Safari browser. If you are using Chrome browser, it will be done automatically, but if you are using Safari browser, that's the browser that's fully come to iPhone, this particular one, then you will have to go to your setting. The first step is to go to your setting, then then this is your setting, then navigate, scroll down and go to Safari direct. You see this Safari here, then click on Safari, then scroll down and you see this place that they write block pop-ups. If you on it like this, then it will never allow you to pop the Safari browser to show pop-up notifications. But if you turn it off like this, then Safari browser will allow pop-up notifications, so that whenever you log into your JAMB caps to the JAMB reprinting portal, it will allow you to see your JAMB reprint slip as pop-up notification. Thanks so much for watching this video. If this is so valuable to you and you want it to go viral and meet other iPhone users, please kindly share this video through your social media handles like Facebook, WhatsApp, Twitter, and others. Thanks so much. Kindly subscribe to this YouTube channel in case we drop any more tutorial videos on how you can perform well in your academics, so that you'll be the first person to view those videos. Thanks so much and goodbye for now.